What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. This is the product review of this off-highway dump truck. We got this from Tambakan ng Mga Toys, who's selling pre-love items like diecast and collectibles. So guys, if you're into buying, just follow this page and check their posts for their items for sale. Alright, so what we have here, this is the Komatsu HD605 off-highway dump truck by Universal Hobbies at 1:50 scale. So as you can see, this is a pre-love item. The box has worn out. If you flip on the side, you can see the actual dump truck. At the back, a larger picture of it. Same on the other side. And then if we flip upside down, you can see that this is produced by Universal Hobbies. Okay, so let's unbox this. As you can see guys, the model is protected by two polystyrene trays. Okay, so this is the model. Universal Hobbies models has an ample amount of plastic on the details. Okay, starting from the front, the handrails and the access ladder are plastic. The cabin has clear plastic inserts. You can see the details inside. Even the grill is plastic. On the top, this is plastic. Yung metal niya guys is dito sa may catwalk and the body itself. The bumper is die-cast. On the other side, it has a Komatsu logo and the model HD605. There are some details that made in plastic. Some are die-cast parts. The bed is die-cast. The rims are plastic. You can see amount of details. The rubber wheels has a good tread pattern. On the other side, the stoplights are painted. Then the differential is die-cast and some of other parts. There are rock deflectors here, which is die-cast. On the other side, here is the details. Okay, so on the bottom, this is a well-built replica. It is simple, but it is a solid one. For the functionality, there is a wheel steering. The angle is too wide and the body can be lifted. The ram has a 3-stage hydraulics. The mudguards are plastic. Okay, for the weight, let's check the weight. Alright, so that's the weight guys. That is 542 grams. For the size comparison, I have the Volvo BM 835, another type of mining dump truck. This is a articulated dump truck. And also I have here a 1:50 scale figure, so you can figure out how huge this model is. This is the actual HD605-7, which is a Komatsu electric. One thing I noticed, there are pre-holes on the bed, so you can use this as a lifting crane accessory. Alright, so that's much of it, guys. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe, guys, for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos, and goodbye.
In the dark where shadows lie,